Imagine venturing deep into the wilderness, the thrill of the unknown coursing through your veins. But are you truly prepared? What if you need to build a fire, clear a path, or even signal for help? This collection of product descriptions dives into a range of outdoor gear, empowering you to conquer any challenge nature throws your way. Whether you seek a reliable fire starter, a sturdy first aid solution, or a powerful flashlight to illuminate your path, we've got you covered. So ditch the fear of being unprepared. Embrace the spirit of exploration. Let's gear up for adventure. Meet your new outdoor best friend, the AdventureMate 5-in-1 Mega Multitool. It's the perfect partner for anyone who loves being outside or is looking for a dependable tool to take on adventures. This unique product combines 5 essential tools into one compact design, making it easy to carry and accessible whenever you need it. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just like being prepared for any situation, this multi-tool has you covered. The AdventureMate includes functions that are crucial for outdoor survival and convenience, but does so without overwhelming the user with unnecessary complexity. Its design is intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that you can access and use each of the 5 tools efficiently and safely. This makes it an excellent choice for both seasoned adventurers and those just starting to explore the great outdoors. It truly embodies the spirit of adventure, providing confidence and readiness to its users. Say hello to the REXBETI heavy-duty folding saw, your sturdy new friend for all your outdoor adventures. This folding saw is built to tackle tasks ranging from gardening to camping adventures with ease. The saw features a strong, sharp blade that can cut through wood, plastic, bone, and more, offering versatility and reliability when you need it most. Its folding mechanism enhances both safety and convenience, allowing you to carry it securely and access it quickly whenever required. The ergonomic handle is made to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and increasing efficiency as you work. Whether you're setting up camp, pruning trees in your backyard, or need a reliable tool for emergency situations, the REXBETI heavy-duty folding saw stands ready to assist with a level of durability that you can count on. Meet the Gerber Gear Downrange Tactical Tomahawk, the powerhouse tool you didn't know you needed until now. This tactical tool is crafted in the United States from strong 420 HC steel and features a corrosion-resistant finish, ensuring it stands the test of time without bending or breaking under pressure. It's particularly crafted for breaching with a multi-functional axe head that includes a beveled edge for chopping through barriers, a hammerhead for smashing through locks and hinges, and a pry bar at the handle's end for prying. The tool is designed for absolute control and efficiency in emergencies or challenging situations. Measuring 19.27 inches in length and weighing just over 2 pounds with its sheath, this Tomahawk is substantial yet manageable. It comes with a low-profile sheath that is compatible with modular, lightweight, load-carrying equipment, ensuring it's easy to carry wherever you go, whether attached to a pack, standard webbing, or body armor. Whether you're planning a camping trip or a backyard adventure, the United Cutlery M48 Tactical Tomahawk is your go-to tool for all your outdoor needs. It's not just a powerful tool for chopping and breaking, its sleek design also includes a curved edge for cutting and a spike for piercing. The blade is made of precision-cast stainless steel, which means it's built to last and can withstand tough conditions without losing its edge. This Tomahawk's handle is crafted from reinforced fiberglass, ensuring a strong grip while reducing the chance of wear and tear from heavy use. The combination of its lightweight feel and tough construction makes it easy to handle and carry for extended periods, which is essential for those who rely on their tools in the great outdoors or in survival situations. Stay in touch anywhere you go with the compact and innovative Bivy Stick by ACR Electronics. It turns your smartphone into a satellite communication device, allowing you to send messages, share your location, track your journey, and call for help in case of an emergency, all without relying on cellular network coverage. With its straightforward operation and a design that's easy to carry, the Bivy Stick offers peace of mind for adventurers, hikers, and anyone traveling off the beaten path. It's a valuable addition to your outdoor gear, ensuring safety and connectivity wherever your adventures may take you. For those venturing into the wilderness or areas without cell service, the Bivy Stick provides a critical link to the outside world. Set out on your wild adventure, equipped with the Mossy Oak 11-inch full-tang fixed-blade knife, your sturdy companion for any outdoor challenge. This knife features an 11-inch overall length with a 6-inch blade that is perfect for precise cuts and powerful pierces. Its blade is crafted from stainless steel, which ensures it retains its sharpness over time while being resistant to rust, making it ideal for outdoor survival and camping activities. The knife boasts a full tang construction, meaning the blade extends into the handle, providing extra strength and durability. The handle is made of walnut wood, offering a classic look and a comfortable grip. It includes a protective pommel to keep your fingers safe and an ergonomic groove to prevent slipping. Kickstart your campfire with ease, no matter the weather, using the handy fire starter wick, your trusty flame maker for every outdoor occasion. It works by lighting up with just a spark, achieved by fluffing the end of the wick and striking it with flint and steel. This fire starter wick is impressive because it can burn for over 3 hours in total. This means you can get your campfire going or use it as a makeshift torch to light your way in the dark. What makes this fire starter wick stand out is its durability against the elements. It's made to work even when it's windy or raining, ensuring you can start a fire when you need it the most. Plus, controlling the flame is simple. You can extend the rope for a bigger flame or retract it into its tube to put it out. It's a handy tool for camping, providing both a reliable way to start fires and a source of light in emergencies. For those unexpected twists and sprains on your adventures, the Surviveware 26-inch Splint is the must-have for keeping you moving safely. This splint is flexible, allowing you to mold it into the shape that best supports an injured arm or leg. At 26 inches, it's long enough to accommodate different sizes and types of injuries, ensuring you can provide the necessary support wherever it's needed. One of the key benefits of this splint is its versatility. It can be used on arms, legs, fingers, and even necks, making it a must-have item in your first aid kit. Despite its sturdy support, the splint is incredibly lightweight, ensuring it doesn't add significant weight to your pack. Light up your adventures and everyday tasks alike with the Thrunite Archer 2AV3, a compact and lightweight LED flashlight designed for versatility. Its small size lets it fit comfortably in any hand and can easily be carried in a purse, backpack, or pocket, making it an excellent choice for your daily carry. This flashlight has dual buttons that are easy to use, ensuring you can quickly turn it on or off without accidentally switching modes. It shines brightly with 500 lumens, casting a beam up to 93 meters away, making it powerful enough for dog walking, home security, and emergencies. Running on 2 AA batteries, which you can find almost anywhere, the Archer 2AV3 is built to last. It features a durable aluminum alloy construction, is resistant to impacts up to 1 meter, and boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, ensuring it can withstand rough weather. Don't let the darkness or the unknown hold you back. Turn every journey into a victory with the right tools at your side. If you're feeling prepped and excited to face the wild, why not join our community? Hit that like button if you're ready for adventure, and subscribe to stay equipped with all the essentials for your next escapade. Drop us a comment below and tell us what grand outdoor adventure you're dreaming of next. Let's inspire each other and share the excitement for the beautiful experiences that await us beyond our front doors.